Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify. You can only use Spotify abroad for 14 days. So guys, when you have opened your Spotify and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back. And guys, after going to back, you need to open your settings. So guys, the main reason of this problem is VPN connection. So guys, if you have connected any kind of VPN on your device, then guys you need to disconnect your VPN first, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to change your country or region on your iPhone or your Android phone, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, maybe there is bug on your app. So guys, simply you need to scroll it down and find here app management tab, and guys you need to click on app list, and guys here you need to find Spotify. So guys, after finding it, you need to open this app, and guys you need to click on storage and cache, and guys you need to clear cache, and guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys you need to open your Play Store or App Store in your phone, and guys after opening it you need to search here Spotify, and guys you need to update your app from here, and guys after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to contact with Spotify support team, and guys after this you need to tell them your problem and they will fix your problem within few minutes. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.